For me, it's my team and it's my extended family here, and you know, having everyone pull the same direction and be part of this team is crucial.
It's not just Paul and I working together. We come together as a unit, as a whole with the company. We try to communicate, whether it be about equipment or customers or customer service. It takes everybody to make that work.
Been in a lot of bad situations, or at least companies that really have a lot of politics and infighting. That's not what we're about here. For me, unity means no silos, no walls. We are a team.
We all come together to do this right here and make sure everything's right, because this is one company, one love, one family. And that's the way I feel like in this shop. You know, hey, if he got it right, ain't nobody got nothing to worry about.
I love being a part of a group. I love being a part of a team.
I love the way our team works together. I may need help on my team with something, and I can reach out to any other team, and they're always willing to jump in and help us, even though it doesn't directly benefit them. It benefits Jones as a whole.
Unity to me is teamwork. It's the family feeling that we have here at Jones. I moved to Hattiesburg by myself 2.5 years ago and joined this family. And that was really important for me to have a work family.
Treat you like family, you know. They gonna do that. They gonna do that. We just got that bond, you know, that family bond. And I tell my little mom all the time, they tell me the same thing. So they're just like, you know, that's unity to me.
I work with everybody around here, no matter what type of questions they have. If I can't answer it, I'll try my best to, you know, get the proper answer for them. It's just, you know, being a team player, just helping out any way you can.
You can't enjoy what you do, you'll never succeed. But when you're around people that you can work with and love be around, you know, hey, you'll love your job.